Yesterday, Rudy Giuliani got the chance to speak at one of those Stop the Steal rallies taking place in Washington, D.C. And, well, I'll let him say it in his own words. Here he is.
Let's have trial by combat. I'm willing to stake my reputation. The president is willing to stake his reputation on the fact that we're going to find criminality there.
Wow. Short clip, lot to unpack, right? First and foremost, how he started the clip. Let's have trial by combat. Yes, that renowned legal maneuver when you've already lost all your court cases because you literally have zero evidence to provide in court. So you're just like, screw it, let's fight. Come on, right now. Who wants to take me? I will rip my shirt off right now and I will throw some punches. Let's do this, America. Look, Rudy, I don't know if you've looked in a mirror recently. You're not exactly a threatening guy. All right. Your presence is not imposing. I'm sure lots of people on Twitter did. They're willing to take you up on your offer. I mean, if you want to have trial by combat, you could probably go out and find millions of people ready to suit up and kick your butt up and down the street. So, bad strategy. And actually one that, believe it or not, folks, isn't going to hold up in court either. So I don't know what he's trying to do there. If he's trying to come across as intimidating or somehow this powerful figure, yeah, swing and a miss on that one, bud. And then, of course, you have, I'll stake my reputation on it, and the president will stake it. What reputation do you have left, man? Rudy Giuliani is under criminal investigation for the work that he has done for Donald Trump, trying to run cover for Donald Trump, trying to dig up dirt on Trump's political enemies over in Ukraine. That has gotten Rudy Giuliani a criminal investigation that is still ongoing. That's why he's putting all of his faith into Donald Trump to give him a pardon, because he knows if he doesn't get it, he could be looking at some serious jail time here. The other thing about his reputation, let's just look at what you've done for the last 2 months, dude. You gave a speech in front of a landscaping company because whoever it is you hired to book it thought that was the Four Seasons. Of course, you have the Borat film. I'm not even going to get into whether or not you're tucking in your shirt or doing something else. Then, of course, we have the press conference where your face was melting. Your hair in a can started melting down your face. Not exactly imposing, is it? And not exactly a reputation worth protecting, is it, Rudy? The fact of the matter is that you hitched your wagon to Donald Trump. And Donald Trump decided, we're going to jump off this cliff. And instead of saying, well, hold up now, I'm going to take my wagon off of this because I don't want to go over the cliff, you said, hell yeah, Mr. President, full steam ahead. Let's go out Thelma and Louise style. And that's what you've done. That's your reputation. This is what people are going to remember you for. Whatever you did, post 9/11 in New York, all of that goodwill you had is gone. And the only person you can blame is yourself. Because you made the decision to lump yourself in with Donald Trump. You thought you'd be rewarded. You thought you were going to be Attorney General of the United States in the early days. And then, of course, you thought you were going to get a pardon. And you still might. I'd be shocked, honestly, if you don't. But all of the bad things that are happening to you right now, the destruction of your reputation, your insane court battles that could also end up in you being disbarred. Yeah, that's all on you, bud. Because you made the choice to do that.